During this time of uncertainty with the economy and hard times for homeowners, the Government of Canada has announced that it will be allowing some mortgages to be deferred. Joining me now is mortgage professional Angela Calla for more on this. And how does this actually work, Angela?
Well, a mortgage deferral, if approved, allows you to delay your payments for up to 6 months. And so what happens is you are approved for that, and although you're not obligated to make a principal and interest payment, that amount will need to be paid back once the deferral is over the period of time that you have left in the term. So after the deferral, your payments will be increased, and you're still responsible to make your property tax payments if your property taxes are on there, and your mortgage insurance and everything else associated with it. So on a case-by-case basis, depending on the size of your mortgage, how long your term is, will really determine for you if you're comfortable with a mortgage deferral.
So it might not work for all people, but who actually qualifies for it?
Yes, only people at this time who are unemployed and unable to work due to COVID-19. The lenders are adapting their policies daily and looking together on a unified response on how they can help Canadians. And so as we've seen this progress and develop, the good news is one lender came out the other day, Scotiabank, and said that regardless of occupancy for up to 4 Scotiabank mortgages, we will apply the deferral. So we're certainly hoping that other lenders will be able to follow suit. Other options that are out there is you may be able to re-amortize your loan. Maybe you only had 15 or 20 years left. You might be able to go to 30 years. So there's a lot of options that are available. The first thing you should do is contact a mortgage professional to have a discussion about it. And then when it comes to actually getting the deferral, you will have to contact the lender directly.
How can people find out more information from you?
If they go to our blog at angelacalla.ca, we have up-to-date information with how lenders are coming together to help, as well as our Facebook page, Angela Calla Mortgage Team. Please join us.
All right. Thank you. So much uncertainty and a lot more to discuss, but that's all we have time for today. Angela, thank you very much for the information. Caitlin Herbst, Open House.